Hi guys! Ayan, nandito na naman ako. For today's video ay gagawa tayo ng homemade mayonnaise. So ayan, at umpisahan na natin. Yung ginagamit kong oil guys. Any brand of oil can do. Gamit tayo ng 1 cup of oil. Lagyan lang natin dito sa big tumbler. 1 egg, 1 large egg. So ayan. A pinch of salt. Dagdagan natin. Kung gusto nyong matamis guys, you can use also sugar. At gusto nyo pang mas masarap ang inyong mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise, you can also mix some mustard. Mas masarap. And then, lalagyan natin ng lemon juice. Wait lang, baby. Ayan guys, nakikita na siya.
Alam na to, sabi ma'am.
More pa, para mas malapot. So, yan guys, at nakagawa na tayo ng homemade mayonnaise guys. So, yan guys.
Din sugar.
That's salt, not sugar. And then, try natin. Sarap siya. This is my homemade.
Mommy, turn.
Wait lang, mayonnaise. May magulo. So, yan guys, at nakagawa na tayo ng ating homemade mayonnaise. Kung gusto nyo pang mas masarap, mas malasa yung inyong mayonnaise, magdaglag lang kayo ng sugar and mustard. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys, yung texture ng ating homemade mayonnaise. Yan. Diba guys, napakasimple lang gumawa ng mayonnaise. So yan guys. Ito ng aking homemade mayonnaise. Thank you for watching. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Yan, ipapakita ko. Ito guys. Thank you.